So for the next part, we're going to clean stainless steel surfaces, making surfaces with that IPA alcohol and remove all the gunk that's on that surface. Just use alcohol. Alcohol will melt away all the fat. That's all that. Keep. Just clean all these surfaces. Mind you, these are razor sharp, so just take care. Very important to clean around these rounded edges though, because that's where your sealing occurs. Give that a good rub. Clean all these surfaces nicely. Great. So that's done. So the next part, we'll proceed to install the new seal kit in the sump. So this is the seal kit 12005744. I'm going to cut. So what's supplied in the seal kit is your silicone O-ring. It comes with a set of instructions on how to install up there, and it comes with 4 new stainless steel screws, which is great. So there are pros and cons to how you can install this. Many people talk about installing it in situ with the sump in the machine. I always prefer to install the seal. Okay. Keep that up there. I prefer to install the seal like this, and you will find that the seal is actually oversized. So if people are wanting to install the seal in situ, you are going to get snagged. So it's going to be very, very hard to actually fit the seal in situ without having enough space. And then they talk about shaving these and getting this little stainless steel piece over here, which is applied to install the seal. So in this case, we're just going to first put the seal in. That seal sitting nicely up there. That's done. The next part, we're going to install our drain pump. So that's our Bosch drain pump over here. Now, the trick to this is locate and press in these lugs. Press in the lug. And how I did that was, there is this part over here, this clip part, and I always install that against this lug. That's the 12 o'clock position. Make sure it's nice and flush, and then pull back and wait for it to click against the 12 o'clock lug. And that's how you install the drain pump. So that's done. So next we will proceed. I always like to use a little bit of lubricant just to lube up the new heat pump. That's the old one. So we'll proceed. We'll use them later. Put the corner up there. That's the pump. So we'll open up this heat pump assembly. Open that up. That's your heat pump, brand new heat pump there. And it comes with a set of instructions on how to install. It says you always install 5 millimeters from the waste over here. You give a 5 mil gap before you put the clamp on. So when you put that clamp on, I always put it like this and ensure that you give a 5 mil gap when you install that heat pump. So that's what it is. So give me 2 minutes. I'll whip up the heat pump and install it, and then we'll get ready to put the sump into the housing over here.